Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to create our first Terraform file and we'll see how we can execute that file to make real changes to the remote infrastructure. So as discussed in my previous video, throughout the course we'll be using VS Code editor tool, but you are free to use any other IDE if you are comfortable. Okay, so now let's quickly do some hands-on on creating our very first Terraform file. Before creating Terraform file, we need to create first workspace in which we can create multiple projects, and inside the project our actual code will be there. So first let me go to my C folder. Okay, under my name I need to create Terraform workspace. So tf hyphen workspace. So all our code will be here only. Okay, so inside the workspace we can create multiple project. So to get started we can just create one project folder, that is first tf script. Okay, inside this Terraform TF script, we'll be writing actual code, that is main.tf file. So now I am not going to create anything from here. We can quickly go to our Visual Code Editor tool. We need to open our workspace here, open folder, Terraform workspace. So all the content which is inside workspace will be display here. Now in this we will be creating our first Terraform file. So just I am giving main.tf. Okay, so before writing any code, we have to download some extension. Okay, so there are lots of extension which is coming in VS Code editor like Terraform. Okay, so I have already installed this Terraform, which is published by Anton Kulikov. It the feature is syntax highlighting and it will display our code in a very nice way and it will give some suggestion as well. Okay, so now come to again main.tf file. So first I can just giving resource. Okay, by default few suggestion is coming. Okay, so I have to write with a local file provider. Okay, so if you see by default all the attributes has came. Okay, which is inside local file. So we don't have to worry about all these things now. We'll see in the coming lecture. Okay, so file for now we are just moving ahead with the very simple one. Okay, file name and content. So content I am giving just I love Terraform. Okay, and file path, file name, sorry, I am just giving sample dot txt. This is the very simple Terraform file. Okay, let me save it. So guys, we just completed first two steps from Terraform workflow, that is scoping and authoring. Scoping means we are just identifying what exactly we need to do. So here we are going to create one file and we have to write I love Terraform content in that sample.txt file. Other than that, we are not doing anything. And authoring means we have already written that Terraform file. Now, question would be how we are going to execute it. So let me open a terminal from here. So now when I open this terminal, it has opened up in PowerShell. Okay, I need to choose command prompt here. So since we have already exported the path in our last video, we can execute the command from here. So first we can check with the Terraform version command. Okay, so it is perfectly fine. It is running in Terraform 1.5.3 version. All right. So now we need to go inside our project. Here we have our Terraform file, right? So from here we can execute Terraform init command because this is the first command which download all the plugins. All right. So we can execute this. So you can look what is going on. We are going to read every single thing. Okay, let me drag this. Okay. So first is initializing provider plugin. Okay, finding latest version of HashiCorp local provider. Now it is downloading HashiCorp local plugin and the version is 2.4.0. You can have a look. There is one more folder got created .terraform. This one. If you see here, it is giving like provider. It has downloaded local provider. Version is 2.4.0. And after that there is some cryptographic hashes, so we don't have to worry about it. So let me close it. So now what is the next steps? We have to give terraform plan command. We have to run the plan terraform plan. Okay, so what is this? We can read each and every line. So since it is going to create that, that means it is plus sign. Okay, what exactly it will be creating? So content will be I love Terraform. Other attribute is coming by default and it will be seeing after apply command only. Directory permission, file permission we have not given. But then also it is coming by default and it is giving default value 0777. File name would be this ID known after apply. Okay, so now we are satisfied with the plan, what we want to do. So what will we do the next thing? Next thing is we have to give Terraform apply command. So it says, do you want to perform the action? Yes, with this plan. Okay, so apply complete resource 1 added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. Okay, so there are two more files has been created. One is sample.txt with the content I love Terraform that is coming from our Terraform code, and another one is Terraform state. So in this we'll see all the attribute which is coming by default. So ID is this one. Okay, and sensitive content null because we have not given anything. After that all the attribute value is coming by default. So this state file is nothing but it is continuously being monitored by this Terraform script. What exactly needs to be changed or what exactly needs to be add or what needs to be destroyed. It will always compare with the this Terraform state file. All right. So you see with this simple configuration file, we have created our sample.txt file. So if you see the permission, it is coming by default 0777. Alright, so that is the complete workflow of Hello World program in the Terraform workflow. I will see in the next video. We'll do more hands-on and we'll be creating more Terraform script in the upcoming lecture. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.